Hi everyone, welcome back to ID Art. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this stunning peacock mandala from scratch. This is part 1 of a 4-part series, where we'll go from basic line work all the way to a digital masterpiece. So grab your compass, pens, and let's get started. Matrils intro. For this foundation episode, you'll need a compass for perfect circles, pencil for sketching, black fineliner pens in different sizes, a rulers, and of course your paper. Don't worry if you don't have everything, work with what you have. Step 1. Peacock outline. We're starting with the foundation. I'm using my compass to create these guide circles. They'll help us keep everything symmetrical and balanced. This is the secret to beautiful mandalas. Now comes the fun part, sketching our peacock. I'm starting with the body shape here in the center. The key is to keep it simple at this stage. We're just creating the outline, nothing fancy yet. Adding the graceful neck and head. Notice how the peacock is positioned. It's the star of our mandala, so we want it centered and prominent. Take your time with the curves. And now the iconic peacock tail. I'm keeping these feather shapes flowing and elegant. Don't worry about perfection. Mandala art is about the meditative process, not being perfect. If you're enjoying this, make sure to subscribe. We have 3 more episodes coming in this series. There we go, our peacock outline is complete. Beautiful, right? Now let's add some structure around it. Step 2. Creating the border. Next up is the border. This will frame our peacock beautifully and give the whole mandala structure. I'm using my compass again to create these outer circles. Now I'm adding these decorative elements around the border. You can make yours as simple or as intricate as you like. I'm going with a classic scalloped pattern. It complements the peacock's elegance. Adding some connecting lines and small details. See how this is starting to come together. The border really makes the peacock pop in the center. We're building layers of beauty here. Step 3. Floral elements. Time to add some floral magic. I'm placing these flower elements strategically around the peacock. They add softness and balance to the overall design. Each flower has its own personality. I'm keeping them simple, but elegant. Notice the petal shapes and how they flow with the peacock's curves. This is where your mandala starts getting really special. Part 2 is all about bringing color to this beauty. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Adding more flowers in the empty spaces. The goal is balance. We don't want any area feeling too heavy or too empty. Step back occasionally and look at the whole composition. Perfect, our floral elements are in place. Now comes my favorite part, the intricate feather detailing. Step 4. Peacock feather detailing. This is where patience pays off. I'm adding these detailed patterns inside each feather. Start with the eye of the feather, that iconic circular pattern that makes peacock feathers so recognizable. We're almost done with the foundation. Stay with me for these final details. Now I'm adding fine lines radiating from each eye. These create texture and dimension. Don't rush this part, put on some relaxing music and enjoy the process. This is meditation through art. Adding smaller patterns within the feather's dots. Tiny lines, curves. Each feather is like its own mini artwork. You can see how much depth this adds to the overall design. And there we go, look at those gorgeous feathers. The detail work really brings this peacock to life, doesn't it? Closing and series teaser. And that's it for part 1. We've created the complete foundation and line work for our peacock mandala. Look at this beauty, all ready for color. In episode 2, we're going to bring this to life with vibrant colors.
colors, I am blending 3 shades of blue and green accents for depth. These pink centers add a beautiful contrast to the blues. Now I am using colored pencils to add shading and dimension.